Alright, y'all. Hope y'all can see this. It's pouring out here. But I don't care because I've only got a few days that I can fish. So let's catch us some brim real quick. And I'm probably just going to catch brim today. Because why not? As y'all see, the bottom has absolutely dropped. But it is what it is, because in Louisiana you either gonna sweat or it's gonna be raining. So something you just gotta adapt to. There we go. Look at that right there, baby. That's what we after right there. That's a handful there, man. Oh, come on, bro. Oh, way too much ice. Let's try to get another one of those. That was a hoss there. Oh, golly. Brother, that dude smacked it. Look at that. Oh, he smacked it all right, but he also... Where's my hook at, bruh? You know what we do on these? We're just gonna leave that hook in there. Alright, I think to untie from this, we're gonna go on the other side. Push off here. Here we go. Oh man, I didn't even see it. I was making sure I wasn't finna whack this big tree, which ended up whacking. Oh, there we go. That would be like a perfect size for live bait right there. I'm talking absolutely perfect size. If I had my catfish rods and I was out here trying to catch a flathead, that is 100% the ones I'd be wanting to go after. Thick back. They stay on the hook good. That's a good spot there. There he is. Did he get off? No, it's just small. What in the world is that? That's a little brim. Look, they're kind of off-colored. Thought it was a little white perch. You know what? We're not gonna keep him. I really don't have no use for a brim that small. There he is. That's the other one of those live bait. Good for live bait right there. See if I can get another one out of there. I'm fixing to go get set up over there. Bro, that's a largemouth bass right there. Look at that, y'all. You must go back in. Turtles are thick up in here. Oh man. Another largemouth bass. As I was reeling it in. Hang on, bro. Doing tight right here though. I think I caught one right here. Alright y'all, let's tie it off. See what we can get out of here. Oh man, he slammed it. There we go. That's a nice one right there. Oh, come here, you bastard. Come here, dude. See if we can get another one like that.